The following accident you will see in this video is completely fictional and was not made to mock any true events involving aviation accidents. Any references to real events are coincidental. The date is May 24, 2012. Semanian Airlines Flight 789 is loading up with 79 passengers. The plane is headed to Stockholm, Sweden. Here is my boarding pass.
All right, thanks. Now this will take a short time. Valid, sir.
Thanks. Attention Semanian City International Airport, Flight 789 to Stockholm at Gate 32 will depart in 10 minutes.
I hope I'm not late. Oh, you arrived just 10 minutes before departure. Here you go, ma'am. Thank you. Have a nice flight.
I am so ready for this flight. I sure am too, son. It's almost time for us to depart. Go over the checklist. Attention all passengers of Semanian Airlines Flight 789. We will now do a safety demonstration. Firstly, you should always have your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is displayed on your nearest screen. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal end inside the buckle and pull the strap to tighten it. To unlock the seatbelt, simply lift the top of the buckle. A few moments later. For further information, look at your safety card. B1, rotate. I wish I was home already. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I have a cup of Coke?
Sure thing. I'll be back.
I wonder what that object is. You know, there's something off about this food and the flight. What do you mean? Well, this fish kind of tastes sweet. Every meal I eat on a plane tastes really odd. Whatever you say, Steve. Thanks for the Coke.
You're welcome. So Lizzie, what are you planning to do when you arrive in Stockholm? Well, I am going to a business meeting just after this flight. I am looking forward to being promoted tomorrow.
Captain, it looks like there is a jet near us. I advise you to be careful. Right.
And after that, I go back home. So what about
Oh shit, what the hell is going on? Dad, what's happening? Just hold me up. You'll be okay.
Lizzie? Shit, that was close.
Oh no! Perfect, Mayday. This is Semanian Airlines Flight 789 to Stockholm, and we are declaring an emergency. In conclusion of the accident, all 67 passengers and 12 crew members, 79 people, died in the accident. And remember, this video was not made to mock any true events involving aviation accidents.